Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's been a while since we uploaded, and today we'll make a protein bar. It's a homemade protein bar packed with the good nutrients and 30 grams of protein. Alright, so there you go, your homemade protein bar packed with 30 grams of protein. And that's how you make it. And thanks for watching. Until next time. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And together, let's promote a healthy and active lifestyle.